Good morning, friends. Today we'll discuss about the gear hobbing. Basically, the gear is also manufactured by using the milling machine, but the milling is not an accurate method of manufacturing the gears. But the gear hobbing is the process is used to manufacture the gears in a accurate methods. In this process, the gear blank is rolled with a rotating cutter is called as a hub, is called as a gear hub, and all involute gears are produced by this method. Gear hub looks like a worm but carries a straight fluid cut all around. In this operation, hub is rotated at the suitable speed and feed into gear blank. The blank is also rotated simultaneously. You see here the hub and blank both are in rotatory direction. The speed of both is synchronized such that the speed is synchronized of the gear blank as well as gear hub, and it is synchronized in such a way that the blank rotate through one pitch distance. This blank is rotated in a one pitch distance for each complete revolution of hub. The hub is having helix angle, so tilted to its own helix angle while cutting the gear so that teeth are square with the blank and produce the true shape of involute. In this method, you have to use the force for helical herringbone gears are cut by hobbing. In order that hub and blank rotate in mesh with each other, two are connected to each other through proper gearing. It is shown in the diagram. This is the hub axis. Is mounted in a specifically in a horizontal axis. This one is called as a hub, and this job is mounted on the vertical axis, and both are synchronized. The speed of this blank as well as hub are synchronized in such a way that the job will rotate a one pitch distance for every rotation of the hub, and in this way you have to perform the working. There is some advantages of gear hobbing process. It is faster and continuous process. It enables high rate of production. Third, different types of two-thread wheels like spur, helical, worm, splines, and sprockets can be easily generated. Irrespective of number of teeth, same hub can be used for generating teeth. And last, gear teeth generated for this process are accurate. What is the disadvantages? It does not suit for generating the internal gear teeth. These are the some images which shown here. Some images here. The gear hub is mounted on the horizontal axis, and this vertical axis, this is nothing but the blank, and you have to cut the gears in a three different diagrams. You have to show there are cutting of the gears. This is called as a hub, which has a different helix angle, and this is the diagram of motion of the gear blank as well as hob. Let us show one video how to perform the working of gear hobbing process, which is shown detail here. This is called as a hub, and this one is a gear blank. Both are synchronized or rotate in such a way that the work is rotated in a one pitch distance of every rotation of the gear hob, and this process is performed repeatedly in a specific depth of cut is obtained. Speed, feed and depth of cut is depends on the material used for the gear blank